This dance is called Ruby Ruby. I'll do a walkthrough for you. Touch the right heel just in front of you where it feels comfortable, so within your body frame, so you can touch it forward without losing your balance, just within your body frame, okay? So you touch the right heel forward, and then you step the right foot down next to the left, and you touch the left heel forward, and step the left down next to the right, okay? So we'll take it from the beginning, ready, and right heel, step it down, left heel, step it down. Now you're going to use the right heel. So you touch the right heel forward. This time, instead of stepping it down, you're going to touch the right toe next to the left. The weight is still in the left. And then you do that again, right heel and a right toe touch. And so all the weight is still in that left leg. So if we take it from the top, ready, and right heel, step it down, left heel, step it down, right heel, toe touch, right heel, toe touch. Okay? So you've just done a toe touch with the right. We're going to travel out to the right, stepping the right to the side, step the left behind, make a quarter turn to the right, onto the right, and hitch the left. And a hitch is where you just bring the knee up. Okay, that's called a hitch. So that little section, we had just done a touch with the right. We step out to the side with the right, behind with the left, quarter turn onto the right, and hitch the left. Let's add it on from the beginning. Ready, and right heel, step it down, left heel, step it down, right heel, toe touch, right heel, toe touch, side, behind, quarter turn, hitch. From here, we're going to walk back on the left, and we're going to step back on the right, and then we're going to do what we call a coaster step. Coaster step, taking the left back, bring the right next to it, and step the left forward. So I'll just explain a coaster step to you. We're going to go back onto the ball of the left foot. Bring the right back next to the left, you're on the ball of the right foot. Step the left forward, ball flat. Okay, so back on the left, back, together, forward. And instead of making that move on whole counts, you're going to make it in the rhythm of cha-cha-cha. So you're going to step back, 7 and 8. Okay, so going back on the left, back, together, forward. And again, ball, 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 flat. Ready, and again, left, right, left. And that move is called a coaster step. So from the hitch, you hitch the left, you walk back, left, right, and your coaster back, together, forward. All the weight's in the left, and then you're ready to start again. Let's take it from the beginning. Ready, and right heel, step it down, left heel, step it down, right heel, toe touch, right heel, toe touch, side, behind, quarter turn, hitch, come back left, right, back together, forward. Okay? So we'll do the second wall now, facing 3 o'clock, starting with the right, ready, and right heel, step it down, left heel, step it down, right heel, toe touch, heel, toe touch, side, behind, quarter turn, hitch the left, ball back left, right, left. Now the back ball, starting with the right, ready, and right heel, step it down, left heel, step it down, right heel, toe touch, right heel, toe touch, side, behind, quarter turn, hitch the left, ball back left, right, back together, forward. The last wall, ready, and right heel, step it down, left heel, step it down, right heel, toe touch, right heel, toe touch, side, behind, quarter turn, hitch, back, coaster, step. I'll do the front wall for you with the counts. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's go round the 4 walls without stopping. Ready, and right heel, step it down, left heel, step it down, right heel, toe touch, right heel, toe touch, side, behind, quarter turn, hitch, back, back, left, right heel, step it down, left heel, step it down, right heel, toe touch, right heel, toe touch, side, behind, quarter turn, hitch, back, back, left, right heel, step it down, left heel, step it down, right heel, toe touch, right heel, toe touch, side, behind, quarter turn, hitch, back, back, back together, forward, right heel, step it down, left heel, step it down, right heel, toe touch, right heel, toe touch, side, behind, turn, hitch, back, back, coaster, step,